If you're looking for an authentic mulligatawny soup recipe, you've come to the right place. Welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In a medium pot on a medium heat, let's take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Let the oil heat and then add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. You will hear a crackling sound and that's normal. Now add 2 dry red chilies, 4 to 5 pieces of curry leaves. Be very careful as the oil will splutter with the fresh curry leaves. Now add 1/4 cup of chopped carrots and 1/4 cup of chopped onions. This is a blended soup, so don't worry about the cuts, just roughly chop them if you wish. Add about 1-inch piece of chopped ginger and 2 cloves of garlic. Let these all cook for about 30 seconds. Everything in this pot right now are called aromatics. This will flavor our cooking medium, which is the oil. Now add 1 teaspoon of curry powder. I'm using regular curry powder. You can use Madras curry powder, but it will make the soup spicy. Add 1/4 cup of chopped tomatoes and cook this for a few minutes. This recipe makes 2 portions of soup. I'm adding half a cup of soaked split chickpeas, also known as chana dal. I have soaked these for half an hour, and the soup will take 45 to 50 minutes to cook. You can also save time by pressure cooking the lentils beforehand, but I like to cook all the ingredients together to develop a better flavor. Now we will add half of Granny Smith apple. It will not only add to the flavor, but also mellow down the heat. It is very important to follow the steps as shown to get the right flavor. And now I'm adding 2 cups of water. I highly recommend you use water, not stock or broth. Since stocks and broths have really overpowering strong flavor, we don't want that. Add 2 tablespoons of tamarind juice or pulp. The name mulligatawny is made of 2 words. Mulliga means pepper and tani meaning water. We already have water. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. You can add crushed or whole, totally up to you. Now let's cover the pot and simmer for 45 to 50 minutes. Now after about 45 minutes, my soup looks good. I will add half a cup of coconut milk. We will need half cup more after blending the soup, so 1 cup in total. Now bring the soup to a rolling boil. Turn off the flame, let the soup cool down a little and then blend it. Blend the soup really smooth. Pour it back into the pot. Add remaining coconut milk. And adjust the consistency with more water if the soup is too thick. This now is the perfect consistency. Finally, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and we are done. Bring it to a boil, turn the flame off, and it's ready to serve. The traditional garnish of this soup is cooked rice and lemon wedge, but you can garnish it as you like. And like always, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and blessed.